Practice English listening. The broken umbrella. It's a rainy Tuesday afternoon, and Lily is walking home from school. She has her purple umbrella open, but the rain is pouring down heavily, and the wind is blowing hard. Lily tries to hold onto her umbrella tightly, but the wind makes it difficult. As she walks down the street, a big gust of wind suddenly blows her umbrella inside out. "Oh no!" Lily exclaims. She tries to fix the umbrella, but it's no use. The metal ribs are bent, and the fabric is flapping in the wind. Lily looks around and sees that everyone else is struggling with their umbrellas too. The wind is just too strong. When she reaches the cafe, she shakes off her wet hair and takes a deep breath. "What a storm!" she says to herself. She looks around and sees a few other people standing under the awning, also trying to stay dry. "Are you okay?" a friendly voice asks. Lily turns and sees an older woman with a kind smile holding a big, sturdy umbrella. "Yes, I'm okay. My umbrella broke, and I got all wet," Lily replies, smiling back. "That happens in weather like this," the woman says. "Would you like to come inside the cafe and have a hot chocolate? It'll help warm you up." Lily's eyes light up. "That sounds great, thank you," she says. They both step inside the cozy cafe, and Lily can immediately feel the warmth. The smell of fresh coffee and baked goods fills the air. The woman orders 2 hot chocolates and sits down at a small table by the window. "My name is Mrs. Green," she says, introducing herself. "I'm Lily. It's nice to meet you, Mrs. Green," Lily replies as she sits down. The hot chocolate arrives, steaming in their mugs. Lily takes a sip and feels the warmth spread through her body. "This is so good," she says. Mrs. Green smiles. "It's the perfect thing for a rainy day like today," she says. They chat for a while, talking about the weather, school, and what they like to do in their free time. Lily tells Mrs. Green about her favorite books and how much she enjoys drawing. Mrs. Green shares stories about when she was young and how she used to love painting. As they talk, the rain outside starts to slow down. The wind isn't blowing as hard anymore, and the sky is beginning to clear. "Looks like the storm is ending," Mrs. Green says, looking out the window. Lily nods. "I think I can walk home now," she says. "Thank you so much for the hot chocolate and for keeping me company, Mrs. Green." "You're very welcome, Lily. It was nice talking to you," Mrs. Green replies. "Do you have another umbrella? Or will you be okay without one?" Lily looks at her broken umbrella and shrugs. "I think I'll be okay. It's just a short walk home from here." Mrs. Green nods and smiles. "Well, if you ever need a place to stay dry, you can always come to this cafe. I come here often, and I'd love to see you again." Lily smiles back. "Thank you, Mrs. Green. I'll remember that." They both stand up and head outside. The rain has almost stopped, and the air smells fresh and clean. Lily waves goodbye to Mrs. Green and starts walking home, feeling much better than before. As she walks, she thinks about how kind Mrs. Green was, and how a broken umbrella led to a lovely conversation and a new friend. She smiles, knowing that sometimes unexpected things can turn into wonderful surprises.